Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. eVision provide job in IT MNCs.
Hello everyone, I am Ashwini. I am basically from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, but currently staying in Noida. I have done a BTech in Electronics and Communication from Punjab Technical University. I got to know about eVision through my friend who already did a training in that institute. eVision gave you the platform which you learn about many IT related things regarding ITIL, regarding just like a networking and CCNA certifications. So etc. And I did a 55 days training in that limited, and after that I got a placement in a study stuffing, the package of 2.7 LPA. That's all about, and thanks to eVision for giving me opportunity.
Thank you, eVision.
Join eVision, join job.